Take two. Okay guys, it's Saturday, so I am going to try to put the carb back on today and possibly the valve covers so I can fire it up. I got to clean up underneath, clean the heads, remove the old gasket. I got new gaskets for the valve covers as well. The only thing is I'm not really done with the valve covers yet, so I'm not sure if I'm going to fire it up today, but hopefully I'll get the carb back on, and if I can get the carb back on, I think that'll be good progress, right? So the goal is to get this back there and make it work. Wish me luck.
Tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
here's where I'm at so far. Try to scrape that a little more. But I'm not sure if I can get any more off. If I can, I'll take as much as I can. And I'm pretty much ready to put things back together. Good day, everyone. It's the next day now. So I picked up some parts yesterday. I got some oil, some zinc additive, an oil filter. So game plan is to get those things on, get the valve covers on, connect the rest of connect the fuel line, and replace the coolant line I had to cut off. Right, so I got some new coolant line. Alrighty. It's a beautiful Sunday. Good day to be working on a car because the weather's not that good out there. So it looks like I did have the right valve cover gaskets after all. So I got it all together. Oil change is done. I'm going to try to fire it up. Fingers crossed. I don't know what's going to happen, so I'm going to get my I'm going to get this baby ready just in case. Hoping I don't need it, but you never know. So let's put that right there. Alright, I'll set up a couple of cams and let's see what happens.
It's showtime.
Alright, here she goes. All right, well, okay, it won't start, so got to troubleshoot. But that's it. That's where I'm wrapping this one up today. So I'll take it from there, and I'll post when I find out what the hell, why it's not starting. But anyways, I did have an issue with one of the lines that go down to the transmission. It had popped off too because there's a safety interlock on the tranny. I fixed that, so okay. Talk to you guys soon.